So we're gonna start laying down on our backs, and I'll talk you through this as we get started. So find your feet hip distance apart, flat on your mat. And I just want you to take a breath here, get yourself settled. I want you to feel nice and relaxed on your mat here. Take an inhale. Exhale, curl your tailbone, and you're gonna roll yourself up. We're gonna work our way into what we call a bridge in Pilates, or a roll up. Inhale at the top, and exhale to roll back down. And if you're not quite warmed up for this, just do a couple pelvic tilts where you're just rocking your pelvis. So I'm gonna teach this workout so it's appropriate for all levels, which means I'll try to give some variations here, but I do have many specific Pilates workouts just for beginners and then many just for advanced as well. So you can always check those out after this workout. But this is a great one to throw in either before or after another workout, or maybe when you're traveling, or anytime you kind of just are short on time, but you wanna make sure that you get the benefits of strengthening and mobility and core work that we get in Pilates. All right, on this one, roll up, stay there. Inhale your arms back, exhale to bring them in. Inhale back, exhale in. So we're getting into the back body here. You should feel your glutes, your hamstrings, the backs of your legs working. Really tapping into your breath. Last one, reach the arms back. Keep them here and then roll back down. Nice job. Straighten that left leg out, bring the right knee in. So take any breaks that you need. I'm just gonna keep moving along since we just have about 10 minutes. I wanna make sure we get in as much as we can. Straighten the right leg up, point the toes. Cross the legs slightly to the left, lower it down and up around to the right. Down and around. So we're doing a Pilates leg circle, and your goal is to try not to let anything else move, okay? And if you want to do a variation on this, bend your left knee and have a smaller circle on the right. Okay, last two, and one, and switch. So we're just trying to connect breath to movement, but if you inhale and exhale at different spots than me, that's okay. Just keep breathing, okay? Keep going. And last two, and one. Hug the knee in, and we're gonna switch sides. So again, you can have that right knee bent for this to be just a little bit easier. Reach the left leg up, point the toes, lower down to the right, up to the left. So it might be different side to side, and that's okay. Keep reaching the leg long. And last two, and one. Switch directions. So we're getting some great core work just by moving the leg in space like this. So that's how we can get whole body workout in a short amount of time. Last one. Nice job. Hug that knee in. Bring both knees in, and then place both feet flat on the ground. Hands come behind your head. Take an inhale. Exhale, tuck your chin, roll yourself up to a crunch. Inhale, lower back down. Exhale, tuck your chin and roll. And if you get neck pain with crunches, I do have a video about how to do crunches without neck pain, so that's a great one to refer to. Really think about trying to get the shoulder blades off as much as you can. Believe it or not, that's gonna help your neck. Now, you can either stay here or add a piece. When you roll up, pull the right knee in, come back down, release, roll up left leg, come back down, release. So the legs are the optional part. One more each side. And back down. Nice job. Keep your elbows wide. We're all gonna come up again through the center. Now twist to your right. Come to center, twist to your left, center, right, center, and left. One more each side. And then roll back down. Nice job. Release your arms and roll onto your right side. So you can either be completely flat here with your head in your hand, or You can come up to a high elbow like this, which just makes it a little bit more challenging. You're gonna have your bottom leg straight and it's in front slightly. Lift your top leg and pull your toes back towards you. You have a long straight leg. Inhale to bring it forward. Exhale, point back. So I am taking you through some of the foundation pieces of a Pilates workout, which also happen to be some of my favorites for this short full body workout here. So like I've mentioned, we did glutes and hamstrings, your back body. We've done your core. Now we're getting outer hips here. Only moving the leg as much as you can that your back doesn't move around. Now keep your toes pointed, forward, up and around. Leg circles, we just did these on our backs, right? But now it's gonna work a little bit different muscle group. Nice job, switch directions. Up, forward, back. And again, if it feels like I'm moving too fast, please just go find one of my many gentle or beginner Pilates videos where I talk through each piece and tell you what to expect, what we're doing. It'll help. Nice job. Bend your knees, press yourself up. Just find a little side stretch and we'll find the other side. So we're gonna come down onto our left. Same thing, either flat or in this high elbow. Top leg reaches out, flex your foot. Inhale forward, exhale back. So I'm flexing forward, pointing back. And I'm continuing to find that breath. Again, I just don't want you to forget to breathe, okay? That's it. Just don't forget. Keep the toe pointed. Forward, up and around. Nice job, one more. Switch directions. And 3, 2, 1. Nice job, those get me every time. Come up, stretch over. And then come onto all fours. So this isn't necessarily traditional Pilates, but it's something I always like to include because it's gonna work your whole body in this one position. So hands underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. Reach that right leg back, lift it up, down, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep it up, pulse, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back down, other side. So on all fours, you've got your arms working, you've got your legs and hips, you've got your core. Last one, lift and stay there, pulse, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back in, nice job. Send your legs back a little bit so that you can come down onto your stomach. Have your legs hip distance apart. Your arms are gonna reach forward. We're gonna do something called swimming so that we can work our backs. So from here, I want you to lift your left leg and your right arm. Okay, and then lower, other side. And this is your option. So this would be like level 1, you're just alternating arm and leg lifts. The full swimming would be lift your head, legs, arms, and now alternate and breathe. So really getting shoulder and back strength. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Nice job. Come back down, hands underneath your shoulders. Separate your feet wide to come up into a full stretch. And you can just go to child's pose if that feels better to you. And then we're all gonna meet back in child's pose here. Sink into your hips. Walk your hands over to the left. And walk your hands over to the right. Come back to center. And walk yourself up. Bring your legs in front. Have your legs mat distance apart. Pull your toes back towards you. Hands behind your head. Sit up as tall as you can. And inhale to rotate to the right. Exhale, center. Inhale, rotate to the left. Exhale, center. So sitting up a little taller every time. One more each side. And then back to center. Zip your legs together. Reach your arms up. And then fold forward for a stretch. Restack, slide your arms. Arms come up and reach again. Stay here for a moment. And restack your spine. And great job. Thanks for meeting me on your mat today, and I'll see you soon.